We'll guide you through how to ask questions to ChatGPT effectively. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video first. Open your web browser and go to the ChatGPT website. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a chat box where you can type your questions. To get the best response, make sure your question is clear and specific. Instead of asking something vague, like tell me about history, try to be more detailed, such as can you explain the causes of the French Revolution? This helps ChatGPT understand exactly what you're looking for. If your question is multi-part, you can break it down into smaller questions to ensure you get thorough answers. For example, ask first about the causes, then move on to the effects. You can also ask follow-up questions if you need more information or clarification on a topic. Remember, the more context you provide, the better the responses you'll receive. If you're discussing current events or very recent information, note that ChatGPT's knowledge may be limited to data up until its last training update. So it might not have the latest news or updates. It's also worth mentioning that you can engage in a back and forth conversation by referencing previous questions and answers in the chat. This helps maintain the context of your discussion. And one more tip, if you ever feel stuck, try rephrasing your question or using synonyms to ensure clear communication. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.